Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today, we're going to extract all URLs from website using a short Perl program. Very easy Perl program this is. So first of all, let's just create the subroutine. Okay, and we're going to call this extract URL. So this here is the function or the subroutine we're going to use. Let's just make that a little bit bigger. Okay, we're going to create a scalar variable here called myScalar URL, and we're going to assign this to a URL. So it's going to be HTTPS, and let's have a look. I'm going to do example.com here. Okay, now I'm going to create another scalar variable called URLs. I'm going to assign that to get, and then that's going to be scalar URL. What's happened there? It's my keyboard, it's knackered. Yeah, okay, URL. And then we're going to do an error message. If there's an error, it will throw an error message here, or die. Simply error. And if there's a problem, it'll just throw an error message and tell us what the problem is. Okay, now we're going to use the while loop. So this is going to be while scalar URLs. Whoops, what have I done there? Didn't mean to do that. Let's just go back there a little bit. We're going to use the matching operator here, the tilde. Yeah, keyboard isn't very good on this system, so I've had to paste it up here. So that's the matching operator there, and we've got to give it something to match. So we use M here, and then we go HTTPS. Okay, slash, then slash, and then the S. Plus, can't remember if it's a capital or not. We'll find out anyway. And then we're going to do the G for global here. So we're going to loop through those. So look, I think we've got a bit of an issue there. Okay, bring that down there like that. Okay. And then we're going to print them out. Print. And then that's going to be the scalar. And this character here, a new line. Okay. So all we have to do now is call this program. Simply call it by its name, extract URL. Okay, let's run it. Missing right curly at 16, syntax error at 16, so right curly. We'll just go through all of these. It says I've got a syntax error as well at 16. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's try that. Okay, there we go. So those are the domains on there. That's the other domains. If we add another website on here, we should get more domains, more URLs. Error at line 9. Okay. Okay, so we'll try a different one. That wasn't very good. So we'll try wikipedia.com. Let's just save that. There we go. Okay, right. I'm going to do a slightly different variation on this. So what we're going to do is we're going to first of all type in the print command. I'm going to ask the user for a website URL. So we're going to get user input from here using standard input. So the user will type in the website address there, the URL, and then we do the chomp. Say my scalar URL, assign it to standard input, which will grab the input from the user when they type in the URL into there. Now we're going to create my scalar web HTML, assign it to get the scalar URL, and the error message here, or die. And I'm just simply going to put error in here. Okay, now we're going on to the while loop. So while scalar web HTML. Again, we're going to use the matching operator. Let's grab that from there. Okay, and we're going to use the regex pattern here. So M. Again, we're going to use HTTPS. And the S. And then the global there to do a global match. Let's bring that together a little bit there. And then we're going to print it out again. So print scalar and character here, which will print it all out. Okay, slight problem there. That should have been a capital S instead of a lowercase s. So let's just try this again. So just type in the URL https wikipedia.com, hit enter, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.